stall. I know I could not stop. Hi, I'm Lisa, I'm the Ukulele Fool. Let's take this song. It's a 2-chord song. I'll go over them super quickly. I will show you how to lay a really good foundation and do this as a much simpler piece, and then I will show you step by step all the little add-ons that you can do, and you can add on until you cry uncle and say no more. So let's dive into it. The chords are the cousins. It's E minor. So you've got this shape here where you're going 2, 3, 4 on the A, E, and C string. And then to do a B7, you just hop everything over. You just kind of keep that position locked in place and hop it all over so that you're on the E, C, and G string, 2, 3, 4. If for some reason you make that chord, that A string a little funky, in this song it's actually okay. You'll be fine. A little buzz won't hurt you on this song. The basic strum that we're going to use on this piece is an island strum. And the verse and the chorus are extremely similar. Let's go through them and I'll just show you where it kind of deviates. The structure of the verses is really easy and simple for the first 3 lines. E minor twice, B7 twice, E minor twice, but then it's that last line. On that last line, you're going to be doing the B7 and 1 and down, E minor. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 for that very ending. Grab your ukulele, do it with me. Nobody's watching, right? So 1, 2, here we go. E minor, again, switch to B7, again, back to E minor, again, and B7, down. Like that. I'll hum the tune with it this time. 1, 2, here we go. B7 da 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 da, E minor da 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 da, B7 down. Okay, and you can rewind. I'm not watching. So the chorus is just slightly different. We actually wind up getting an additional line, and it is shared by a B7 and an E minor. So again, let's just play through. 1, 2, here we go. E minor. Twice, back to E minor, and B7, third time, and an E minor. I'll hum it this time. We got a little pickup. B7 and E minor, and B7, B7. This is the third time on B7 and E minor. All right, let's try the first 2 verses and the chorus just as a sing-along of that, just to, help lock it in. So 1, 2, here we go. I cut my bangs with some rusty kitchen scissors. I screamed his name till the neighbors called the cops. I numbed the pain at the expense of my liver. Don't know what I did next, all I know I couldn't stop. Word got around to the barflies and the Baptists. My mama's phone started ringing off the hook. I hear her now saying she ain't gonna have it. No matter how you feel, it only matters how you look. Go and fix your makeup, girl, it's just a breakup. Run and hide your crazy and start acting like a lady, 'cause I raised you better, gotta keep it together even when you fall apart. They say my mama's broken heart. with the way that sounds right there, then good, that's fine, you know, and you're on your ukulele journey. But this next one's kind of fun. We're going to hit our ukuleles. I need to give credit where credit's due. Thanks so very much to Mary, who's inspired me more than once with her performances on my Friday night open mic and jam sessions that I have. And then also Rick and Karen Maxon. They performed this piece, and a lot of what we're going to talk about next came from their performances. So first of all, thank you to Mary, thank you to all my patrons. Thanks to Uke66. I've got links down below, and they've got a debut album out as well with this on it. So check them out on Spotify, iTunes, wherever you get your music. All right. You can hit your instrument. Yep. After each verse. It's kind of fun. So I'll start on that B7 line. Don't know what I did next. All I know I couldn't stop. Yep. Basically, your ukulele is a drum. It makes a great sound. Great percussion instrument. The next thing that you can do is do a slide on the E minor. It's the second time that we come to the E minor chord in each verse. It went right there. All right, to do that, you've got your E minor shape. You move it up towards your headstock. So actually your strings are lower, not up, higher. And you're just going to make one strum, but you're going to change position on that first strum of the island strum. So let me start at the I screamed his name. I screamed his name till the neighbors called the cops. Numb the pain at the expense of my liver. So you can do that little slidey thing every time you have that in the verse when you're coming into the second E minor in the verse. And I have that color-coded in my chord chart. I love what Karen Maxon of Uke66 says when they perform this piece. She says, well, you can't do a sad song on the ukulele, but you can do an angry one. That's brilliant. So to make this sound a little bit more angry, you can take the introduction and you can scratch it. Yeah, so you just lightly place your fingers on your fretboard and down. And then get into the piece. This is how it sounds put together with the words. I cut my bangs with some rusty kitchen scissors. I screamed his name till the neighbors called the cops. Okay? If you really want to level up your playing, take that island strum and double time it. That means you're going to go twice as fast. So okay, so it's moving, right? So you've got to lighten up, and you've got to like really keep a lot of it in a smaller motion, no big gross motor. From your elbow motions with your strumming, it's going to be pretty small, contained, light. And then just, you know, a little pro tip there is I do some futzing with my fingernails. Instead of doing my strumming more on the side here and getting some of the fleshy part on a down strum, I'm really using the back side, this part of my fingernail on the strings, and the same thing with my thumb going up. I'm really catching the back of my thumbnail, and so I'm kind of turning my fingernails into picks. And additionally, I'm really laying into the A and the E string, but I'm making a pretty sharp attack with it. So it's subtle. It has taken me time to develop it and not get tangled up in the strings, but it's definitely worth it, because I have been in workshops and people are turning heads going like, what are you doing? And it really kind of helps make your ukulele kind of a funk guitar sound, you know, rhythm guitar. So a little subtle tip that you can add to your playing. So in order to do double time, you have to do everything doubled. So instead of 2 E minors, it's 4 E minors. Yeah, see the box diagram? Let's do it together. Get your uke, let's do it. A 1, 2, a 1, 2, here we go. B7, 2, 3, 4, and E minor, 2, 3, 4, and B7, 2, 3, and E minor. Yeah. I'll hum it with it. 1, 2, here we go. Back to minor. Okay, that's probably going to keep a lot of you busy for a long time. But there's more. Don't forget to use speed controls on YouTube to help you with your online learning. If you need to go slower, you've got the power. And of course, if I'm talking too much, you can go faster too. Take the B7 line, the second B7 line of every verse, and change up the strum. It'll make it a lot more spicy, like this. Don't know what I did next at all, I know I couldn't stop. So I'm going down, up, down, down, up, down, down. So basically I'm eliminating a whole portion of the island strum. I'm just doing the first down, down, up, down, down, up, down. So taking away those and just leaving the first and the last 3. So let's practice it together. I'll hum it and I'll slow it down too for you. So 1, 2, here we go. And E minor. Switch. Here it comes. All right, I have all this stuff noted in my chord chart because I believe that you want to be able to have good visuals, and as a patron you get access to all my YouTube tutorial chord charts and with all the graphics and everything that you see in this video. And additionally, I have 2 Zoom sessions a month that I do with my patrons for question and answer, and we jam a little and we share a little. And we've really built a community. So if you'd like to be with other like-minded ukulele players, come join us. $3 a month, cancel any time. If not, you can buy me a cup of coffee. I got a link for that down there as well. All right, let's do the play along. But if you've gotten this far, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Our starting pitch is here. 1, 2, here we go. It's I cut my bangs with some rusty kitchen scissors. I screamed his name till the neighbors called the cops. I numbed the pain at the expense of my liver. Don't know what I did next, all I know I couldn't stop. Word got around to the barflies and the Baptists. My mama's phone started ringing off the hook. I hear her now saying she ain't gonna have it. No matter how you feel, it only matters how you look. Go and fix your makeup, girl, it's just a breakup. Running high and get crazy and start acting like a lady, 'cause I raised you, but I gotta keep it together even when you fall apart. This ain't my mama's broken heart. I wish I could be just a little less dramatic, like a Kennedy, to get my lock put down in flames. Leave it to me to be holding the matches when the fire trucks show up and there's no one else to blame. Can't get revenge and keep a spotless reputation. Sometimes revenge is a choice you gotta make. My mama came from a softer generation. situation. When you get a grip and bite your lip, just save a little face. Go and fix your makeup, girl. It's just a breakup. Run and hide your crazy and start acting like a lady. 'Cause I raised you better, gotta keep it together even when you fall apart. This ain't my mama's broken heart. Powder your nose, paint your toes, line your lips and keep them closed. Cross your legs, dot your eyes, never let them see you cry. Go and fix your makeup, girl. It's just a breakup. Run and hide your crazies and start acting like a lady. 'Cause I raised you better, gotta keep it together even when you fall apart. This ain't my mama's broken heart. I think I made it even with the dog interruption. I may put an extra slide in there. Now she's sitting here. You want to come up and see the people? Yeah? Okay. Okay. She did not get a long enough run today. That is truth. All right. Well, I will catch you in the next video. The next one I'm going to do is going to be a jewel. Who will save your soul? So until then, I better go deal with her, huh?